front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down right away to access battery. Then click on Performance over here on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. If you wish to switch it off, just click on Balanced instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!